Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see what all to write if calcium is asked as an essay for 10 marker. Firstly, please mention the introduction about calcium, then total content in men as well as in women. Now comes the biochemical functions. There are 12 different, but you don't have to worry because I have got mnemonic for you all. First two being DM and BM. Remember this as rhyming DM BM ऐसे सोच लो. फिर remember NAC. NAC is like NAC A grade college like ours, and then RS for respiratory system. CA definitely CA will be calcium as we are studying calcium, you guys. Chalo, let's implement those mnemonics now. So firstly DM. So D stands for development of bones and teeth and M for muscle contraction. Similarly for BM, B is blood coagulation, M membrane integrity and permeability. NAC में N is nerve transmission, activation of enzymes for A. First C calmodulin mediated action of calcium and the second C for calcium as intracellular messenger. Do mention 2 points under each function as shown. The remaining mnemonics. Do you remember RS and CA? So R for release and S for secretion. CA may C for contact inhibition, action on R for A. That we are done with all the functions of our calcium. Next is the dietary requirement. Here also we have a little trick. So first you have to remember the baby's dietary requirement, that is 300 to 500 milligrams per day. Now just add those two numbers. 300 plus 500 will give you 800. That is the requirement for men and women. Just add a little note that it is 1.5 grams per day when the woman is during her pregnancy or lactation period. The best part comes as the best sources and good sources. Best sources will be milk and milk products. Good sources are all the greenies like vegetables, beans, cabbage and so on. Now it's the reality about biochemistry, about the absorption. So absorption of calcium is done by duodenum, and you have to also mention factors that those are inhibiting and stimulating the calcium absorption. Okay. Let's now talk about some important part, that is the concentration level of plasma calcium. This will be asked, so please mention it's 9 to 11 mg per dl. Let's now see what all hormones are involved in the regulation of plasma calcium level. We have three important hormones: calcitonin, calcitriol and PTH. Now about all those three hormones, you have to be writing their chemical name and what is their prime function, how it is synthesized, the number of amino acids present, etc., that I have shown you in the video. Actually in textbook when I was reading, it was a very vast info, so hope this helps. Lastly, you have to mention calcium phosphate ratio and the product, how it differs in children and adults. It is 50 in children and 40 in adults. Like that, we have already come to the diseases part. Mention osteoporosis, osteopetrosis, that is also known as marble bone. Don't forget about rickets, it is very important. Mention the bow-shaped appearance as you can see in this child's legs, and hypocalcemia, which causes Sjogren's sign and Trocheus sign. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also, I have to tell you something, guys. It's 2:50 a.m. in the night, morning or midnight, whatever you call it, and I am doing this, recording it for the second whole time, बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम जो मैंने ऐसा पूरा बात किया था उसका कुछ ऑडियो इशू हो गया एंड आई हैड टू डू दिस सेकेंड टाइम. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक इफ़ यू find this helpful. Thank you.